Good morning, traders. I'm Michael Sabo, Senior Commodities Broker here with RJO Futures on a beautiful day in Chicago for January, Tuesday, January 29th here. We've got almost 60-degree temps we're expected to hit today. But let's get right down to business. What's going on in crude oil here today? Well, you know, crude prices have been firmer. We basically here, take a look. Let's pull up your March crude oil chart. We've been trading basically in about a $2 range. So the market is very tight right now, going through a lot of consolidation. Currently this morning, back up a little bit. We're up about 60 cents, trading right around 97, kind of poking through a little bit there. But, you know, so far just kind of a quiet range bound overall. Now taking a look here at the Brent's actually off here a little bit here. We're down about 4 cents, really kind of quiet there as well, trading around about 113.44. So, you know, a little bit firmer tone there in the WTI. You know, but nonetheless here up just a little bit. Now, taking a look at the complex here, nat gas backing off here quite a bit here. We're down about 5.5 cents, trading around 323.5 area. We have seen some surges in that market. I got to tell you, you know, this trading range that we've seen nat gas in, there's been a lot of volatility in here, and there's actually some really good opportunities. So give me a call if you want to talk a little bit about how you can position yourself there. Taking a look at the complex here, we're a little bit firmer here. RBOB up right now around 294.20. That's up about 70 ticks here, so about 3/4 cent. The heat's up about 1.5 pennies, trading around 307.66. So what do we've got, you know, helping to keep this market here supportive here? Well, right now, let's take a look at some of the fundamentals of oil here right now. Got some decent economic data that came out of Germany here, as well as U.S. durable goods orders yesterday. And so that's kind of helping keep the market up here. The idea that we could maybe see some, you know, improving economic conditions that could then potentially lead to some increase in demand. But you know, you really got to take a look then, as I mentioned in so many posts, supply side. Supply side really appears to be ample right now here in the States. And, you know, here we've got the EIA numbers that are going to be coming out here tomorrow. We got API later today, but traders will be focused here on tomorrow's big report, and we're looking for, you guessed it, another build. So traders are anticipating seeing a build right now of about 2.5 million barrels. And so we just keep kind of adding to those stocks a little bit, but yet we haven't seen a real catalyst yet to really move this oil in either direction. Now, take a look at your technical indicators here. You know, I think, you know, most of you traders will agree with me that the market is in pretty overbought territory according to short-term technical indicators. So, you know, that doesn't mean that the market can't keep marching higher, but I really, if you're on the long side of that market, I got to caution you. I think you got to get very defensive in there and be prepared to possibly exit, because I think when the liquidation starts to occur, you know, I'm targeting around that 200-day moving average. 200-day moving average here puts you down at about $92.50 a barrel. So there's quite a bit of potential downside action in this market. I don't think it's all going to happen at once, and the market still may creep up a little bit more, but I do think we're going to see some volatility coming into that market. That market is really winding itself tight, as I mentioned earlier. $2 trading range here for quite some time here now. So I think that market's really winding itself up, and once we see a breakout, there's going to be a lot of scrambling. So don't get caught in that here. You know, what you ought to be doing is thinking about how you can protect your position, whether you're a bull in that market or a bear. And if you need some guidance, give me a call, shoot me an email. The number's listed there on the screen. I'll be more than happy to help you, you know, design some risk management strategies here for your overall positions. Or we can talk about how to establish a new position in that market. So again, give me a call, shoot me an email. If you want to get more information on the inventory numbers here, again, shoot me an email. I'll add you there to the distribution list. And of course, remember that, you know, futures trading does involve a substantial amount of risk. May not be suitable for all traders. Good luck and good trading.